Reasons why more money will not give you financial freedom. Hey, guys, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Franklin from the Money Code Academy and I am glad you are watching. If this is your first time of coming to my channel and you are interested in financial freedom, personal finance, and entrepreneurship, I would like you to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that the next time I post a new video, you will be the first to receive it. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you reasons why more money will not give you financial freedom. Over the years, many people have come to believe that, if you want to enjoy financial freedom, you need more money. So they spend their days doing everything possible just to get more money, but sadly, it doesn't change their financial status nor help them enjoy financial freedom. Do you know why? Because in the real sense, more money does not guarantee financial freedom. I know that might sound ridiculous, guys, but that's just the truth. For so many people, they believe that more money will help them enjoy financial freedom, but they don't know that they have believed a lie. So the question is, what is the truth? Well, I hate to break this to you, but the truth is that more money will not improve your financial life or mysteriously make you start enjoying financial freedom. It doesn't work that way. It is a mistake that so many people have made for years. Their focus is just on getting more money, thinking it will change their financial status, but in the end, it doesn't. Now, I know this might not go down well with some people, but hold on, I will explain. No doubt more money will improve your personal life, but it will not improve your financial life. There is a difference between your personal life and your financial life. More money will help you get new houses, new clothes, eat quality food, and go on several vacations in different parts of the world. But guess what? If while you are enjoying the presence of this abundance and you did not develop financial skills on how to generate more cash and manage your money, you will come back to square one after a while, because truly more money is not the key to financial freedom. So in a nutshell, what truly impacts your financial life is not more money but financial literacy or finance education. You might say, what is financial education? I will explain. Financial literacy or education is the art of learning how to generate cash, handle it, and manage it. It is the art of learning the skills on how to handle money and make it work for you. Sadly, a large population of people today don't care about getting this education. They somehow just feel they don't need it, but in the actual sense, that is the need of everyone today. If you truly want to have fewer struggles in your life in money matters, and you don't want to be at the mercy of men, you must embrace and enjoy financial education. You must make a conscious decision to learn about finances. Until you start learning about finances, you are not ready to attain financial freedom. Some people might say it is not necessary, but that is not true. If you truly want to attain financial freedom in your life, where money starts working for you and you have enough time to do other things, then you must change your approach to money by learning new things about money. This is something I have covered greatly in my courses on financial literacy titled Crack the Money Code, Volume 1 and 2. You can check it out following this link, courses.moneycodeacademy.com. These courses will help you a great deal. Finance education will help you improve your skills on how to approach money, and as I said earlier, it is these skills that will guarantee you financial freedom in the long run. The question is, what do you want to achieve at the end of the day? Do you want to change your life or your financial status? If you do want to change your financial status, then consider signing up for my courses at a discounted rate so that you can make a positive impact on your finances. In Volume 1, these are the contents you will find. Module 1, Is Financial Freedom Possible? In this module, I will walk you through the possibilities of becoming financially free and explaining to you what financial freedom truly means. Module 2, Myths about Making Money. Most of the time, there are lots of mental blocks, beliefs, and notions that limit us financially, and unless they are dealt with, financial freedom cannot be attained. So in this module, I will walk you through the various myths that prevent people from reaching their financial peak in life. Our life's results are also a product of our beliefs. If a man believes the wrong things about money, his financial results will always be wrong. Therefore, this module addresses this area. Module 3: Common errors in the pursuit of money. There are the right way and a wrong way to go after money. Therefore, in this module, I will point out the common errors in the pursuit of money so that you can identify them and make the necessary adjustments. Module 4: Understanding the psychology of money. Without a proper understanding of the whole concept of money, you can't win financially. So in this module, I will be revealing to you the concept of money, its origin, and the difference between money and cash. Module 5: The nature of cash. In this module, I will be exposing the true nature of cash to help you understand how it truly flows and what you can do to have it come to you consistently without much effort from your end. Module 6: The inseparable connection between man and cash. In this module, I will be sharing with you the connection between man and cash and helping you understand how you can take advantage of this connection and earn as much money you want to earn within the shortest possible time. Module 7: Key factors for meeting needs and solving problems. In this module, I will be walking you through important factors that you need to consider to be able to meet needs and get the cash flowing your way. Module 8: 4 key secrets to taking charge of your finances. There are things you must be willing to do consistently to win consistently, and those are the things I will be sharing with you in this module. Because taking charge of your finances is not a one-time activity but an ongoing activity. While in Volume 2, which is the Advanced Masterclass, these are the contents you will find. Module 1: Exposé on Poverty. In this module, I am going to be unmasking poverty and exposing it, so that you can know what it truly is and how to come out of it. Module 2: You and Your Finances. In this module, I will be sharing with you the connection between you and your finances, your role, and your importance in affecting a change. Module 3: Understanding Money. To truly excel financially and enjoy financial freedom, you need to understand this thing called money. Therefore, in this module, I am going to be walking you through all you need to know about money so that you can win in the game. Module 4: Cash Attraction Secrets. One of the major reasons for financial education is to teach you all that you need to know regarding how to attract cash. Therefore, I will be walking you through deep secret truth on steps to take to get money looking for you. What most people don't understand that is the right way to look for money is not to go looking for it but attracting it. Module 5: Building a Platform for a Never-Ending Income. In this module, I will be showing you how to build platforms and set up systems that will help you make money effortlessly. Module 6: 5 Important Laws of How to Make Money. Cash Generation. When it comes to cash generation and management, there are laws to abide by. So in this module, I focused more on the laws that are required for cash generation, and these laws are greatly needed if you are going to win financially. Module 7: 8 Truth You Must Know About Making Money. When it comes to making money, there are few things you must know to help you succeed in your journey to becoming financially free. So I have covered 8 of those things in this module. I guarantee you that when you go through this course and pay attention to the things that I share, it will set you on course and provoke you to start making some financial moves that will help your life. So if you are interested, just go ahead and click on the link in the description box below to register now at a discounted rate. Now, that is it for this video. If you have gotten value from this course, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and most importantly, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. Thank you and God bless you.